Now, the snow. Wow. So cold. Shower, shower. Hello, snow. Snow, snow, come in January too. They are coming now for real. It's really cold. First snow of the year 2021. Oh, very cold outside. -4. My third video for the snow today, 2026, January 2.